No stay on floor test tomorrow. There will be no stay on the floor test tomorrow. The Supreme Court bench has pronounced the order, no stay. The floor test will go ahead tomorrow. That's the big news that's coming in. The floor test will go ahead tomorrow. So Uddhav Thackeray, big setback to him. He was hoping that the floor test could be postponed. That's not going to happen. There is no stay on the floor test tomorrow. We'll get other details of the order, but this virtually means that at least tomorrow, when that floor test takes place, the Uddhav Thackeray government will be in a minority. Yes, Nalini, you want to respond? Yes, Nalini.
Yes, Rashid, that's a big breaking news coming in from the Supreme Court. There is no stay on the floor test. This is coming on completely expected lines, because like I was stating just a few seconds earlier, that it's not happened so far where the Supreme Court has gone ahead and stayed a floor test. So they have given the go-ahead for the floor test to happen tomorrow, which means that these 16 MLAs against whom disqualification is being sought are going to be able to vote before the assembly tomorrow once the floor test is conducted. It's a big setback coming in for the Maha Vikas Aghadi government. They were trying to buy some time through this petition that they'd filed before the Supreme Court, but all their attempts seem to have come forth in vain, because the Supreme Court's not accepted the arguments that have been raised regarding the disqualification proceedings that are pending, and they have cleared the deck for the floor test to happen tomorrow. This also means that they have found that the order that was passed by the governor was legally valid, which is why they've gone ahead and upheld it and allowed for the floor test to be conducted tomorrow.
But who conducts the floor test? Who is the chief whip? These are issues. Anisha, do you have more details about the order, or is all that we have at the moment that the floor test is to proceed as scheduled, Anisha?
Well, Rajdeep, the Supreme Court has passed a very short order right now. They have said two things. One, that we are not issuing any stay on tomorrow's tomorrow's assembly proceedings. But very importantly, they have said that they will consider the larger legal implications. They've issued notice on the issues that have been raised by Sunil Prabhu in his petition, which basically means that as far as the question of questions raised in this petition with regard to the power of the governor, with regard to the restriction on the speaker, with regard to the priority line between the disqualification proceeding, the speaker's vote of no confidence and the governor's decision are concerned, those aspects will now be heard on the 11th of July.